Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. So today we will discuss the timetable for MNS. I have segregated the timetable into its two parts. That is, first one is for class 12 students or the students who are from college background, and the second one is for who are religiously dropping for MNS. So firstly I would like to tell about the timetable for class 12 or the student college students. So up to 4 the college or school would be ended, so I have mentioned from 4 p.m. So from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. They would have to get freshen up and ready for preparing for MNS studies. So from 4 to 5 I have mentioned over this. Then from 5 to 6 they can cover the current affairs or the static GK. I would say that don't prepare the current affairs for every day, just prepare it for the monthly on the monthly basis, so you can go up with the static GK, which is very minimal in amount, and you can cover one topic within 1 hour. Then take 15 minutes of break, because our brain would not captivate all the information if the break is not given. So for 15 minutes of break you can watch any song, any motivational song, or you can do anything like any exercise for freshen up your mind, or you can go to the terrace for breathing oxygen so that your mind will be freshen up and you would be ready for the next task. Then for 15 minutes of break you can also get a little bit of snacks, so that our brain would be fulfilled with the oxygen and nutrition, so that it would be work efficiently. Then from 6:30 to 7:30 you can choose any topic of science, and 1 hour is efficient, as in MNS the basic things are have gonna ask will gonna ask. So just focus on the basic things. You would have Don't go deep in the topic, just brief the topic and you would get to sum up the topic within 1 hour. Then after 1 to 2 minutes of break, take the second topic and cover within 1 hour. The second topic would be also of science, because in the science, the majorly the biology portion, the student this year got difficulty. So I would suggest give time more for biology or the science section. Then from 8:30 to 9, get ready for the dinner and do the dinner within 15 minutes. I have mentioned as half an hour, because for 15 minutes you can revise the previous topics, or if something is left for the second topic you can summarize within the dinner. By taking dinner you can also go through the pages or can revise the second topic or the first topic if it is not covered. Then after the dinner, for 9 to 10 I would suggest that for English you can do basic basic tenses or prepositions or one word substitution. If you will cover 10 to 15 prepositions, or if you would if you would gonna differentiate between the prepositions, or if you would understand the topic, that would be sufficient for the English preparation. So in my case I have done majorly the question answers, just the question. I have not gone through any rules of English or such kind of things. I have just gone through the question, and if the questions were wrong I go to the topic deeply and just studied. Then from 10 to 10:15 you can take a break. Then after 10:15 to 11 you can do the English practice. I have written English practice because many of the students whose English is not very clear, they can do the topic here and just practice the question here. Or if you are well versed with the English, you can practice the questions here. And in respect to the English portion, you can also go to any topics which you have not covered. Like if you are more if you are feeling like I have to cover the static GK portion more, this section is somewhere left, so you can cover this thing in this portion. Okay, I have just mentioned the slots. You can change the slots, but you can add likely to the timetable. Then up to 11:30 you can rest or do any things, and just take break in between one topic to another, so that your mind will be more active. So then at the end of the day, by summing up all topics, you can revise, just revise every topic, so that it would not get through your mind, because revision is a must. Daily revise every topic. Then from 12:30 to 12:45, just prepare for the next day timetable. Just sum it up that what things should I have to do for the next day. So sum it up and then go to sleep. And I would suggest for the college students or the 12th class students, just focus on your college or college studies or the 12th class on the respective time. At the time of the class, just focus on the class very efficiently, so that you can manage all these times for your MNS studies. Or if you would not maintain your all energy over those classes which would taught from 8 to 4, you would not you can't revise these all things. You would feel very hectic and can't cope up with all MNS and as well as 12th class studies or college studies. So I would suggest that during your college or 12th class, all the online classes, just be focused and just remember all the things at that time only. Then coming to the timetable for those who are dropping for MNS specifically. So I'm not suggesting any timetable for those, but I would suggest as previous year. As in previous year, I have dropped out for MNS and also qualified with respective with such a great marks. So I would suggest that give your time 2 hours for English practicing as well as concept building. And in GK, just go by 3 topics in a day and also revising it and giving 1 hour each for respectively. Then for science, choose any topic and choose any 3 topics and give 1 hour each. The science topic is very easy if you would just go by the concept, or if you would got to understand it. It is so easy and the questions are so easy is this year. Just the fact was, many of the students didn't know that plant physiology was also coming, so that they thought that by leaving plant physio and getting on human physio, that would be beneficial. But the thing just opposed. So I would say that focus on every topic, it would be very easy then. If you are not coping up with the science section, you can watch the YouTube videos. There are many videos on every chapter of 11th and 12th. You can go up with that. Then practice tele questions. So just install Telegram and you can practice majorly questions from many of the groups. So just spend 2 hours, okay? If you would spend 2 hours and practicing question, it would be very efficient. Just provide 2 hours only, not more than that, because many of the students find it very addicting and waste time all over the day. And at last, I would say for the students who are dropping out, I would say that be happy and remember, be happy, always be happy, and just remember that everything just happens for a reason. If you are not selected this year, if you are having any past experience of not you are not selected for MNS or anything, just be on your present and just have faith on the thing that everything just happens for a reason. So I'm ending up with here. And be positive, and I hope you all gonna clear MNS by this year. Thank you.